where cars or planes, and if it is your favorite toys, like you want to build a car, like planes and other animals and robots, so I will show you your perfect video. Yes, this is your perfect video. If you like the big puzzle toys and mechanical toys, so this is perfect for you. Because today I'm gonna share my favorite toy. Okay, it's the big puzzle only. Okay, so let me show you. Architect toy and like big toy. Okay, so this is very useful. It is, and do you know, like 237 plus pieces. Like small, big, medium, everything is included in this box. And here is 6 plus ages. That means if you're 7, 8, 9, 10 or 11. Okay, so this toy is perfect for you. And only you want to buy for only engineering and building type. So this is good toy. Now let's open. Wait a minute. What happened? Yes! Here we get the wheel! Show! See, this is the whole top. So first of all, this is the booklet. That means you can buy these more boxes. And this is the plane, you know. Okay. So this is the booklet. And this is the part I was just making. And here it's the thing. Okay, the materials. This is big one. And these are like miniatures. Okay, screw inside the car. That one. And there's a warning. Not under 3 years. Because they can swallow into their mouth. Okay. Now, this is the super car. In 1 hour, I was just making. Okay. And for you, I'm detaching some. Nothing inside. So I'm detaching. Okay. First of all, look. This is the main part. Okay. At the back, here, more sensitive. And this back part, you can see, high motivate. Okay. And these glass are the headlights, you know. And let me detach the wheel. Okay, it's like this. And this. So I'm building a little for you. As the wheel detach, so first of all, this is a big toy. So it's like Lego, you know. So first, I will join here. Okay, I'm showing to you. So first, this one will be joined here. And the second wheel, that means tire, will join here. See, both are joined. Good. Okay. And this is really good texture. Nothing is broken. See? And that's why there are wheel colors to look more and more super duper magnifying. And I also made some part myself. Okay, one piece went missing, so you are in big trouble. But if you are genius, so you can make it without one piece. Yeah, I lost my one piece, but still I managed to make it. Okay, and the real power you use is to imagine. Because in Amazon, it is showing that you can build for your own imagination, like tiger, frog, okay, bird, anything. So, again the wheel is detached. Okay, that's all. One thing you're joined in, but one thing broken. This is a really tough, but don't worry, take time. How much you take time? No worry, because this is super intelligent toy. That's why take time. Okay, and nothing else here. So this was it. Okay. And I told you can make it on your own because in Amazon I saw that it was showing that you can make on your own. But if you can't make, so ask from here or your adult. The toy is one. Under 3 years? No. Only baby toys. That's it. So this was the toy. So thanks for watching my video. And now I also a brick a toy.